My name is Noëmi Manser. I'm from Switzerland. I started to develop that technique about 5 years ago when I moved to New York, and I wanted to create more balance within and so without. So for me, that technique was really helpful because the technique is about using both hands at the same time and merging the two brain halves to make a connection. And I believe with that practice there can be made a connection again to heal these parts in your brain. And when you start to heal your own brain, you can start to help other people and inspire other people to heal. It's really beautiful to see how people go into a very humble state when they start to draw. So I love to observe that childlike state. They go into a state of wonder and curiosity. For me, the connecting brains, it's connecting brains, connecting people, connecting humanity. You start to be more in your heart, so you can live in more compassion and empathy. This is my experience that I have through that practice, and I wish and I hope that other people can feel that too.